And there's another one down there.
Yeah. Mommy down there.
Is that the mommy down there?
Yeah. Good boy. Oh, that.
There's Xavier. There's monkeys over here. Yay, monkeys! Let's see what this guy is. Yeah. He's nice. Yeah. Yeah, there. Yeah, I see him. Puppy? I don't think he's really a puppy. I think he's just another kind of goat.
Can we pet the roosters?
You probably don't want to. He's probably not very friendly.
How about that big bird? That big feather.
The peacock?
Yeah.
They probably won't let you pet him either. The peacock probably will run away before you get to pet him.
I heard one. It was that one right there. That it was sticking his head out of
Okay, okay. No picking up the dust, Xavier.
What?
Don't kick up the dust.
Kick the dust?
Kick. Don't kick the dust.
I took all my shoes.
All right, please put them on.
Mommy, look at that kangaroo.
Look at how they open up the
Ooh, pretty.
Look at that baby one.
Sometimes they just drag them behind them, but sometimes they're...
He's a lot bigger than our roosters.
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Whoa.
Look how pretty he is.
He's rattling.
He's rattling his feathers, yeah. I think he's trying to mate, trying to attract the females. See, there's a female right in front of him. I think he's trying to impress her. I've never seen that before. Look at him backing up. You can pet him. Yeah. Oh, Xavier, no. Don't let him eat that. That's trash. He'll just eat it and it'll make his belly upset.
I know.
There's a trash can over there that we'll get to, and you can throw it away. I love this fluffy little chicken.
Oh my God.
Isn't he fluffy? Yeah. That's huge. That would be a nice yummy dinner. Mmm, big chicken. Hop, hop like a kangaroo, hop like a kangaroo. Here they come. Run, kangaroos, run. Oh, there's another one. Look at them. They're so cute. Oh, they're running from the lawnmower. They don't like the lawn. Look, he's out. He's just, they don't attack, but you don't want to, I mean, they can kick you and stuff. You just want to stay away from them.
Well, like, you don't really or like dangerous.
Well, if it really wasn't safe, they wouldn't. Xavier, shh, don't scare him. Here, buddy. Hi. Come on. Aurora, you stay back. There he goes. Bye-bye.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Finally, he decided it was safe to come.
Yeah. Did it land on your head, Aurora?
Butterfly.
He landed on your head? Yeah. Yeah, if they peck at you a little bit, it won't hurt at all.
Yeah. Look at me.
Look at them all. Yeah. Aurora, you're scaring them. You gotta do it slow.
My gum too.
Don't run, Aurora. It'll scare them.
No.
Yeah, look how much they like you, Xavier.
Oh. Yeah, 3 times.
Slowly, Aurora. Yeah.
So very tickle.
Awesome.
Look, you're over here. They come. You saw? Hey. Ow! So bossy. That's the way of saying no. Oh.
Look at them all on Griffin.
Ow!
Look, they're all on his hand.
Ow! Ah. It feels so weird having so many on you.
Oh, watch out, Aurora. Don't step on them.
It's like you're a tree.
Yeah.
They're all over me.
Look at them fighting. Be nice, birdies.
They're pecking on us. Nope. That it? Eat them all and then eat this one.
Yeah, he just... They're on your arm. Oh, don't pull it. It'll scare them.
There's just one up here.
They're just everywhere. Oh, that scared them all.
Picking at my foot.
Aurora, you have to stand still and then they'll come get on it. Just stand still.
You can hear their little sounds they make.
Yeah. You have to be very gentle with them, Aurora, because they get hurt very easy, so you can't swat at them or anything.
They're a little bits of food on my hand, and so they like pick it.
Yeah, he didn't want to let go of it when you stood up, did he? It doesn't hurt, Aurora. It doesn't hurt. Just a tiny bit. They won't hurt you. Don't swing it around. You have to hold it still so they can eat it. Look, that one, he's holding on with his foot. He won't let go. Don't. You gotta move it slow. Uh-oh. Yeah.
You can get really close to them too, look.
Yes.
Daddy, can you get the birdie?
Aurora, don't hang on. Some of the women actually gave it to us, but you can buy them when you come in.